Today I have the Aegis wireless interlinked combination smoke and carbon monoxide alarm. These things are pretty cool. I've done a few videos on these. This was given to me for evaluation purposes, but all opinions are my own. I've done a different model of these before. This is the SC RF220, the round version of it. Let's open this up, take a look and see what we get. We have some warnings, we have some directions, and we have some mounting hardware. And inside the mounting hardware is a pairing pin. And with the pairing pin, what's cool about these devices is that you can pair them all together. So you can set up zones, you can do all kinds of stuff with this. And you can actually, with the pairing capabilities on here, you can pair 24 of these together. Now it's a nice, solid, sturdy plastic on here on the back. If you want to remove the back, you just kind of slide it. The back pops off and you can get to the pairing button on the back. And you can also get to the lithium battery. You pull this little tab up, the battery pops out, and there's plastic protecting it to keep the battery from going dead while it was being shipped to you. This is a CR123A lithium battery. It's a very common battery, easy to find when it comes time to replace it. This battery life is 5 years long on here, and the smoke detector itself has a 10-year shelf life. So you should only have to replace this battery one time if you're not getting a whole lot of use out of it. One of the cool things about this model is that it is a combo smoke detector and carbon monoxide detector, and it uses different lighting to let you know where the problem is. Red obviously indicates danger, yellow indicates that there's some type of malfunction in here or low battery, and green indicates that it's operating normally. This unit also has different sensors in here to detect smoke and carbon monoxide, so it's capable of doing both of them. One of the cool features of the Aegislink devices is that you can link them together. It comes with a pairing pin that is inserted into a hole in the back of the unit. And when you insert it in the hole in the back of the unit, it turns red. And you can do it with another device and link the two of them together. You can actually link 24 devices up together to create a massive zone in your house if that's what you wanted to do. And why would you want to link these together, you ask? Well, let's say you're up in the bedroom, one of the alarms goes off in the garage. If they're interlinked together, they'll all go off to let you know that there's a problem somewhere so you can go down there and take care of it. And another cool feature with the interlinked devices is that you can test them individually or all at one time. Let's put this thing in here and see how loud it is. It's going to cycle through a self-diagnostic here, and this has an 85 decibel alarm on it. So let's hit the test button and see how loud this thing is. Pretty loud. And loud's a good thing with smoke alarms and CO detectors. You want loud, wakes you up. I want to point out also with these instructions that they can be downloaded on the product page that you bought this product on. You can download a PDF of these. This has an open air transmission rate of 820 feet. So you could, in theory, you could space these 825 feet apart. I don't know if you'd want to do that, but just letting you know that that option exists according to the literature. So if you're looking for a good combination smoke detector, carbon monoxide detector with a long battery life, unit that can be paired up to 24 other individual units, so you can create huge zones around your house, check out the Aegislink RF220. Check it out.